In this video, I'll guide you through how to add team members to Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a calendar with your colleagues so everyone stays in sync on meetings, deadlines, and events. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. If you use multiple Google accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so you don't accidentally share the wrong calendar. Once Google Calendar is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all the calendars linked to your account are listed, such as your main calendar, any project calendars, or calendars you've created for specific teams. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to share with your team members. When you do that, a small icon with 3 vertical dots will appear next to the calendar's name. These 3 dots open a menu with more options for that calendar. Click on the 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open a new page dedicated to the settings for that specific calendar, including all of the sharing options. On the Settings and Sharing page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with specific people or groups, or similar wording. This is where you'll add the people you want to give access to. Look for the option that says Add People and Groups and click on it. A small window will pop up where you can type in the email addresses or names of the team members you want to add. If your organization uses a shared directory, you can start typing a name and suggestions may appear for you to choose from. Take your time here and make sure each email address is correct because this is where the sharing invitation will be sent. After you add the people or groups, you'll see a drop-down menu next to each person's name that lets you choose their permission level. This is an important step. You can decide whether they can only see if you're free or busy, see all event details, make changes to events, or even manage sharing themselves. Think about how much control you want your team members to have. For example, if you're sharing a team calendar that multiple people will manage, you might allow them to make changes. If you're sharing your personal work calendar, you may prefer that they only see the event details. Once you've selected the right permission level for each person, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the Send button. Google Calendar will email your team members letting them know that they've been added to this calendar, along with a link so they can open it right away. After they accept, your shared calendar will appear in their calendar list and they can view it or manage it depending on the permissions you chose. That's all it takes to add team members to Google Calendar and keep everyone aligned on what's happening and when.